Concerned that your significant other is not being satisfied with your current penis size? Well, your concern is certainly justified. In this article I'm going to talk about the top 3 reasons most women deny a small penis size will turn them off and not consistently cause an explosive orgasm for her. If you want the truth, and you also want to know what is going to enlarge your package if it is too small, then read on to learn more. You see, women are certainly clever. They possess the ability to manipulate men without even trying. They can control our thoughts without some magical brain tricks. And they certainly can make us think that our average or below average penis size is something that they are fine with. They can hold a poker face better than the most advanced poker player in Vegas. This causes a sense of false confidence in most of us men, because we end up thinking that our current penis size is enough to satisfy our significant other. Here are 3 reasons women deny that a small penis isn't working for them. 1. They don't want to make you upset. As clever as most women are, they are of course the more sensitive creature, most of the time, lol. And it's because of that they naturally don't want to make you feel upset, depressed, etc. if they either softly and rudely indicate to you that you are not satisfying her with a substandard penis size. If it does happen, you of course want it to happen softly, which fortunately was the case for me. My significant other was showing signs of displeasure when I had my embarrassing 5.5 inches erection, and that was what led me to, very quickly, enlarge my size. 2. They're doing reverse psychology on themselves. Deep down inside they truly do desire a man with a larger endowment. But, since you are lacking size, they keep telling themselves that it's not the size that matters, it's how you use it. Sounds familiar? Many women make that claim, and that instantly makes most men who are under 7 inches in size feel a lot more confident. However, what she really wants is a dream penis, which is a long, thick, hard, muscular, and sexy-looking package. 3. They figure that you'll eventually decide to increase your size. Women are not stupid by any stretch of the imagination. In fact, they are more wiser than men in many regards. Having said that, one of their wise acts is that they realize that us men take our penis sizes very seriously. And if we lack size, most of us will eventually do something about it. And that now leads me to the following. What to do if you lack a significant penis size? First off, if you are around 6 inches fully erect, then you are pretty much okay. You should be able to comfortably pleasure your significant other provided that you also include foreplay and multiple sex positions into your sex life. However, if you are below 6 inches fully erect, or if you desire to reach a 7 to 9 inch erection, then what I recommend you do more than anything is to naturally enlarge your penis size. The only way to naturally enlarge your size is to use an enlargement method that does it all. And by all, I'm referring to increasing length, increasing thickness, making your erections hard as a rock, stopping premature ejaculation, and making your penis look more attractive. Contraptions, pills, patches, and surgery will not achieve full-fledged male enhancement. You need to do something that enlarges your corpora cavernosa chambers, your corpus spongiosum chamber, stretches your suspensory ligament, and will make your pubococcygeus muscle stronger. The method I used to cause all the above to happen was natural penis hand exercises. The end result for me was an extra 2 inches plus all those other benefits I mentioned above in less than 8 weeks' time, naturally and permanently. Are you ready to enlarge your penis and have insane orgasms in as little as your first 3 weeks? Well, I actually came across this amazing penis exercise program a while back that helped me gain 2 inches to my size lightning fast and permanently. This award-winning program is safe, effective, permanent, and you can download everything instantly, no embarrassing stops at a store or packages to receive.